The Goa State Election Commission hereby declare that the general election to Ponda and Sanquelim Municipal Councils will be held on 5th May 2023. Poll timings are 8 am to 5 pm. COVID-19 positive patients will be entitled to cast their vote in the last hour of the poll, that is 4 pm to 5 pm. The model code of conduct shall be come into effect from this moment in the areas under the jurisdiction of Ponda and Sanquelim Municipal Councils. The number of wards for Ponda Municipal Council is 15. The number of wards for the Sanquelim Municipal Council is 12. The voters for Ponda is 16,305 and for Sanquelim 8,640. These are the maximum limit of total election expenses by a candidate in a ward of municipal council elections has been fixed 2 lakhs. The municipal council election will be held on non-party lines. The manner of voting is by ballot.